Welcome to Intelligence Gateway.
Lesson 6. Analysis. Lesson 6 of the Big Data on AWS Certification. Course covers data analysis and visualization using AWS services. Here's an overview of what you can expect to learn in this lesson. 1. Data Analysis Overview, an Introduction to Data. Analysis concepts and the importance of analyzing data to derive insights and make informed decisions. 2. Amazon Redshift, an in-depth look at Amazon Redshift, a fully managed data warehouse service for analyzing large data sets. You'll learn about Redshift's features, architecture, and best practices for using Redshift in big data solutions. 3. Amazon QuickSight, an overview of Amazon QuickSight, a cloud-based business intelligence (BI) service for visualizing and analyzing data. You'll learn about QuickSight's features, dashboards, and data sources. 4. Data Analysis Best Practices. Best practices for analyzing and visualizing data in your big data solutions, including data modeling, query optimization, and visualization design. 5. Case studies, real-world case studies of organizations using AWS analysis services in their big data solutions, highlighting the benefits and challenges they faced. By the end of this lesson, you will have a solid understanding of AWS services for analyzing and visualizing data in your big data solutions. You will be prepared to move on to the next lesson, which covers data security and compliance on AWS.
Thanks for watching. For more information, like, comment, and subscribe our channel.